Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is a 12-inch MDF base in which we are going to create a dot mandala. I already found the center, drew circles and created grids. The angles were marked at every 20 degrees. Let's get started with dotting now. I'll start with dotting in the center using neon orange. Now I'm going to dot with blue, and this is the blue which I created mixing the light blue and white. Now I'm going to keep tiny dots in blue. Now I'll dot in blue again, and this blue is created with cerulean blue and white. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll dot with neon orange. Now I'll keep tiny dots in orange. Now I'm going to dot in the first shade of blue. Now I'll keep tiny dots in the same shade of blue. Now I'll dot using the second shade of blue. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep straight swipe in neon orange. I'll keep a dot, then drag it to a swipe. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep straight swipes in between any two orange swipe here. Now I'll keep some neon orange dots. I'll keep smaller dots in blue. Now I'll walk the dots in the same shade of blue. I'll keep some orange dots now. I'll keep some blue dots now. I'll walk the dots in the second shade of blue. This is the blue that I created with cerulean blue and white. I'll now walk the dots in neon orange. Now I'll keep straight swipes in second shade of blue. I'll keep a dot and then drag it to a swipe. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some orange dots now. Now I'll work the dots in orange. Now I'll keep some orange dots. I'll keep some smaller dots in the first shade of blue that I used. I'll work the dots in the same shade of blue. I'll keep 2 swipes in second shade of blue. Now I'll keep a straight swipe in first shade of light blue. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.